Well, I got this wide angle dash cam video camera. It's really super cheap at Walmart, and I got a feeling it might not be too good, but I've had a lot of people pulling out in front of me, and this one is a Black Web. I'm just going to put it in my windshield now. It looks like it's a pretty simple hookup. I did take it out of the box. Wasn't much in the box except the cable to connect it to the computer, cable to connect it for power to the from the cigarette lighter to the camera, and then the camera and the suction cup. Looks like it's a pretty well little unit here. So I'm going to attach that to the window, and then we'll go from there. So I got it mounted up underneath my mirror there, and I had to lick the little suction cup to get it to stay today, but that might be because it's cold. Not sure. As soon as my pickup warms up here, I'm going to turn some heat on, and we'll go from there. Okay, it did come on like it says it will, and the little red light's flashing like it's recording. I have it, you can set it to record 1 minute intervals, 2 intermittent interval, 3, and so on up to 20 minutes. And I set it on 3 for now, just for the heck of it. I'm probably going to move it on my dash and up a little bit higher, but for right now I'm just going to see what it does as I take a little cruise here now. Kind of got some cool features. Does have a microphone. Off to the right there, it has the SD card. It came with an 8 gig SD card, so it shows how much is left on the SD card. And I didn't change the loop yet, but if you change the loop to where it doesn't erase the oldest file, but I'm gonna get a 32 gig card, I think, if I like this. So anyway, so far so good. It's only been about a half hour or an hour. I'm gonna go home and see how the video looks. Well, it's getting pretty late here. Getting dark already. It's not really that late, I guess, but it's getting dark already. I just put my Black Web dash cam back in the pickup. I took it out and downloaded all the video I took today, and The card's only 8 gig, and it loops. It'll rewrite over itself. But I think I'm gonna get a 32 gig. That, or if something does happen in front of me, I'll just shut the power off to keep that video. But hey, for 20 bucks at Walmart, of course, I got this little dash cam that I'll get some video with it. I'll throw a quick clip on the end of this video, and you'll be able to check it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure and like and subscribe.